Good morning, children. Did you complete yesterday's constructions? Okay. Today, let us continue with exercise 2 and third construction. Let's read the question. Construct triangle PQR such that angle R is equal to 100 degrees, QR is equal to RP is equal to 5.4 centimeters. This is the question given. What is the first step that we have to do when we are making a construction? Very good. We have to draw a rough sketch. So let us draw a rough sketch first. So I am taking QR, which is of length 5.4 centimeters. Then I know that angle R is 100 degrees. How will you estimate the angle of 100 degrees? Yes, this is a right angle which is formed. When the length between the two arms is more, the angle formed is more. When the length between the arms is less, the angle formed is less. So, if I draw a straight line, it is going to be a 90 degrees angle. So, this angle formed is 100 degrees. And now, you can see that RP, R is here, so R as a center, we are going to cut an R to this and this should be of same length. So this is 5.4 centimeters and this side is 5.4 centimeters and this is P. PQR, this is the triangle that we are going to get. Now let us write step 1. Step 1. Draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch of the triangle PQR and label its label it with the given measurements. Label it with the given measurements. Okay. Now, actual construction when you do, what are you going to do, children? We are going to draw a line segment which is of length 5.4 centimeters. So let us write the step. Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment QR of length 5.4 centimeters. Understood this? Now use your scales and draw 5.4 centimeters. So here this is 5.4. This is QR and the length here is 5.4 centimeters. Okay. Take out your scales. I will show it on the scale also. So when you want to draw the line segment, here it is 0, mark a point over there, and 5.4. So this is 5 and this is 6, and between these two lines is 5.5. Just before that, this is 5.4. So here you need to mark a point, and 0 already you have marked a point. Then draw the line segment. Understood this, children? Now we are supposed to draw the angle. To mark the angle, you need your protractor. And here you can see that the angle formed near R is, angle R is given as 110 degrees. So here you can see this is 90 degrees. After that is 100 and after that you have 110 degrees. The angle is to this side, that is to the right side, so we are taking the outer scale. So after 90, 100 and 110 you need to mark a point there and then draw a ray. Understood? Do the protractor. Here's your protractor. Mark the angle of 110 degrees. Now use your scale and join draw a ray. This is a ray Rx. I am drawing a ray Rx. Now what we are going to do is RP. RP, you know that the length is 5.4 centimeters. So use your protractor as the length of both the sides is equal. That is the reason we are going to use the compass and measure the length. So here I am going to keep at R as the center and then till Q. Now draw an arc. Okay? What did we do? We have drawn an arc. Now the arc is meeting the ray at a point and this point is called as P. That point we are going to name it as P. Now use your scale and join QP. Now use your scale and join QP. Okay. Now here this angle is 100 degrees. We have measured and drawn and this is 5.4 centimeters. We have taken. Understood all the steps, children? Now let us write. Already step 2 we have written. Now step 3. What is step 3 we have done? Step 3 is we have measured 100 degrees, marked 100 degrees and we have drawn a ray. Draw a ray Rx making an angle of 100 degrees QR. With the line segment QR, it is making an angle of 100 degrees. Understood this, children? Copy in your class workbooks. I am going to erase this side and write the remaining steps. Copy this. Now let us write the step 4. What did we do in the fourth step? We have drawn an arc of radius 5.4 centimeters from our such. So let us write the steps. Draw an arc of radius 5.4 centimeters on the ray Rx. Rx ray, we are going to draw the arc such that it meets or it intersects at P. Now let us write the last step, which is step 5. Step 5 is join QP to get the required triangle. PQR. Understood this, children? Copy in your class workbooks neatly. Let us do the second construction. The fourth problem, that is construct triangle TEN such that TE is equal to 3 centimeters, angle E is equal to 90 degrees and NE is equal to 4 centimeters. This is the question which is given. and looking at the question itself, you can tell which type of triangle is it. Which type of triangle is it, children? Very good. It's a right-angled triangle. So now the first step is drawing the rough sketch. So let's draw the rough sketch. So TE is 3 centimeters. Then you know that angle E is 90 degrees and NE is 4 centimeters. So 4 is going to be longer than TE. So this is N. This is 4 centimeters and the angle formed here is 90 degrees. Understood this? So now let's write. What did we do? Draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch of the triangle. Draw a rough sketch of the triangle TEN and label it with the given measurements. With the given measurements. Okay? Now let us write step 2. What is step 2, children? We have to draw the line segment TE of length 3 centimeters. So let's write that. Draw a line segment TE of length 3 centimeters. So let's take this 3 centimeters. This is TE, which is 3 centimeters. Now you need to mark 90 degrees using your protractor. Match it with the baseline and then you can see the 90 degrees angle. The angle is formed here, 90 degrees, so you can mark a point. So let's mark 90 degrees. So see that the baseline of the protractor is matching with the line segment TE and then mark the angle. The middle line should match with E, vertex E, and then we have marked, and now we are going to draw the ray. Draw a ray. Use your scale for drawing this. This is the ray and this is EX that we have drawn. Now measure 4 centimeters on your scale with your compass and then you are supposed to draw an arc. Let's do that. So use your scale and here you can see that this is 0 degrees. This is 0 degrees and this is 4 centimeters. Okay? You are able to see now, children? Are you able to see? Yes, this is 4 centimeters. Now, you keep this pointer at, keep the pointer at E and cut an arc. E, you have to cut an arc. Okay, an arc is cut and the point where the arc and the ray EX are meeting, this point is called the vertex N. Now the last step is join NT or TN we have to join, and this is the required triangle TEN. Some measurements that we need to write are, this is 90 degrees and this part is 4 centimeters. Understood all this, children? So now let us write the steps for construction. Step 2 we have already finished. Now let's write step 3. Step 3 is Step 3, draw a ray Rx making an angle of 100 degrees with TE. Step 4, draw an arc of radius 4 centimeters from E which cuts EX at N. And the last step is Step 5, join TN to get the required triangle TEN. Copy this in your class workbooks, children. Meet you in the next class.